5-5 similar figures. I can identify similar figures using scale factor.
Okay, cool. Can you do that? Good. Now, one thing I want to do is I want you to take your eraser right now, and I want you to erase the word scale factor because I chose not to actually throw scale factor in right now. So you're not really hopefully, or you're not understanding, or you shouldn't understand really what scale factor is. So I just want you to change that I can statement to I can identify similar figures, and you can erase using two. Okay? All right, so a similar figure would be a figure that have the exact same shape but different sizes. All angles of a similar figure are what? Somebody tell me. All angles of a similar figure are what?
Similar?
Nope, not similar. All angles of a similar figure are what, Alex?
Congruent.
They're congruent. They're the exact same measure. Okay. All sides, Philip, of a similar figure are similar. So they're proportional with one another. They're not probably, or they're not the exact same. So angles are going to be the same. Sides are going to be different. Congruent angles. Angles that are the same. You guys know the symbol for congruency now?
Yeah.
Okay. Corresponding would be things that are lined up on the exact same side or in the exact same spot. So if we look at our two triangles here for number 3, A is corresponding to everybody? Everybody? A is corresponding to? D. And we know that because we actually put congruent markings. C is corresponding to? Can I have everybody, please? C is corresponding to?
F.
Side CB corresponds to, again I say side CB corresponds to side
E.
Could I also call it BF or BC and EF? Yeah, either one works. And then down below, we gave you some examples of what we just talked about. Proving similarity. I gave you triangle A, I gave you triangle B, I gave you triangle C. Are all of those triangles have corresponding angles? Do all of those rectangles have corresponding angles?
Yes.
All corresponding angles 90 degrees, and we know that they're 90 degrees because each shape is a rectangle. Okay, so now the sides, we have to figure out if they are similar or not. So you have a side length of 10 and 4 on A, 5 and 2 on B, 12 and 5 on C. And the question is which rectangles are similar. We figured out that A and B were similar, and it's not really the answer, but it's the proof. You told me that cross products of 10 and 2 is 20, cross products of 5 and 4 is 20. You also told me that 10 fourths reduces down to 5 halves. Are these cross products equal? Yes or no?
No.
Are these cross products equal?
No.
So obviously it's going to be rectangle A is similar to rectangle B. And then for number 5, we gave you the rule, which is what we talked about at the very opening. Angles are always congruent on similar shapes. Side lengths are going to be proportionate when you put them into a ratio. And then the last one would be your picture question, in which you had to write your proportion. Really important that we line up our labels. So this actually, it's probably hard to understand. 10 inches tall over 14 inches wide is equal to 1.5 inches tall over x inches wide. That's how we wrote that proportion. And then we use cross products to solve for our variable x. Questions, comments?